Okay, so for question 14, you need to divide the polynomial. So long division comes into the picture. We divide the polynomial x cubed minus x squared plus 2x plus 8 by x minus 1. So we're going to check how many times the x goes into x to the third power. So that's x to the second power. So x times x to the second power, we now multiply our answers that we're placing up here. We're multiplying them with whatever we are dividing by. So we're going to multiply times x, so that's x to the third power, and then times negative 1, so that's negative x squared. And then now we're going to subtract. So we're going to subtract these two terms from what we have. So x to the third minus x to the third, that cancels, and that leaves you with 0. Negative x to the second power minus negative, so that ends up becoming a plus. So you're actually adding an x squared right here because of these double negatives, and that cancels as well. So you're left with nothing from these two. So we drop these two parts of the polynomial, and now we have 2x plus 8 that we need to divide by x minus 1. So we look at, once again, x into 2x, so that's going to be 2 times. And then now you multiply x times 2, and then negative 1 times 2. So these two parts times 2. And we end up with 2x and negative 2. And then we subtract these two terms from what we had. And 2 minus 2 is 0, so that cancels. And then 8 minus negative 2, that ends up adding 2. So we end up with positive 10. So as we're doing this, our answer is x squared plus 2. So we are looking for x squared plus 2. Only this one has that. These others have 2x. So we are looking at this as being our answer. Also, that is confirmed when our remainder is 10. And now we just grab our remainder and we write it as a division of what we are dividing by. So x minus 1. And that's how C is the answer.